So Ulefone has announced the Power Armor 16S. This is a different model, guys. It's not the same as the Power Armor 16 Pro, but in terms of looks and specs, it's actually very similar. It is also equipped with the same 3.5 watt speaker that has a max loudness of about 122 decibels, the same as the Power Armor 16 Pro. And of course, I'll be comparing the specs of this device with the Power Armor 16 Pro just to point out the differences. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. It's a budget rugged phone, so don't expect much. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device weighs 406 grams and it is 25.3 millimeter thick. So it's a very thick and very heavy rugged phone. It is equipped with a 9600 mAh battery, which is quite large, and it supports fast wire charging. It also supports 10 watts dock charging. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard A10H certified. As for the display, the phone features a 5.93 inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with oleophobic coating, and the resolution is 720 by 1440 pixels, which isn't bad actually for a budget rugged phone. The device is powered by the Unisoc T616 processor paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup led by a 50MP primary sensor. It is the Samsung S5K JN1 sensor, also known as the ISOCELL JN1, followed by a 2MP depth camera. The front-facing camera is 8MP. The primary sensor is capable of recording up to 1080p videos at 30fps, and the device also features different camera modes, including normal mode, night mode, pro mode, macro mode, and so on. The device also supports underwater photography, which means you can be able to take photos and record videos underwater. So other features includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports face unlock, dual SIM, 4G connectivity, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS. It also supports NFC. It has a U-Smart expansion port. It ships with the Android 13 and it has a customizable key. So these are just some of the top or key features of the Power Armor 16S. Like I mentioned earlier, I'll be comparing this device with the Power Armor 16 Pro just to point out differences and similarities. And of course, this is a budget rugged phone. It's expected to be very cheap. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Power Armor 16S? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.